I'm making a jockey style boxer shorts in a very simple method, and using this pattern you can make even a long shorts or short shorts. And I will also show you how I cut the pockets. Very trendy, cool, simple pockets. And this is a simple methods. You can use the measurements of a ready-made shorts, or I will show you how to calculate, how to use the formula. The fabric, you can use the cotton fabric, denim, corduroy, or any trousers fabric. To make simple shorts, you need double the length of your shorts, or if you want to add the pockets, then you will need extra half meter fabric to make the pockets. So you can take either the same color fabric for the pockets, or you can have different color or plain color. I'm using this cotton lungi fabric to make the shorts, and I will also show you in this video how to cut the fabric to make your shorts. So this fabric is for the summers. Elastic, you will be needing at least the round of the waist if you are adding one string also. Otherwise, take the elastic at least 2 inches less than the waist round. This elastic is 3/4 of an inch wide. You can take 1 inch wide elastic or 1.5 inch elastic too. So let's cut the front side of the draft or the pattern. Keep 2 inch from the top. This 2 inch is for elastic casing, and join these markings. The hip length would be 3 part of hip. The measurements for this short is length 21 inch, waist round is 30 inches, hip or seat is 34 inches, and bottom round is 22 inches. Based on this, we take 3 part of hip, that comes to be 11.33 inches. So we take 11 inches long, mark 11 inches length from both the sides, and square it out. The hip line would also be 11 inches. The same formula, third part of hip. So this is third part of hip that you have to take, 11 inches long and 11 inches wide. Now we mark the crotch area. So come 1 inches inside from the waist, and using the leg curve, give a shape to the crotch. I make it slightly darker and extend it till up. Now this 2 inch we do not have to include in the total length, because that will be folded. So the total length of the shorts is 21 inches. Here I mark it, the total length, and bottom round is 22 inches. We take half of that, that comes out to be 11 inches, and mark it 11 inches here. And using the leg curve, give a shape from crotch till the bottom of the leg. This is the front side. And this hip length is 3 part of hip. So this is the front, and under this bottom, that is half of bottom round, we will keep just 1.5 inch for the fold. And then shape poach till the bottom. Now you can keep 1/4 of an inch outside if you want these shorts to be loose. Otherwise, cut on the line. I have added enough margins for the loosing, even for the stitches also, for the seams. So just cut on the line. Now we keep that front part on one more piece so that we can cut the back part. So this is our front of the boxer shorts that we keep on piece of fabric or piece of paper. And now keep 1/2 inch from the selvage, from the side, mark till the up, and from the top we keep at least 1.5 inch, because the back of our trousers or shorts or a pajamas has to be slightly up, so that when you sit, even then the back or your trousers or your shorts do not get pulled down. So leaving this 1.5 inch from top, then you set your front pattern. Now from the hip line, take 2 inches out. It is outside, and from bottom take at least 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch. So I am taking 1/2 inch out from bottom, and then join the bottom till the crotch, till this hip line. From the waist, come 1.5 inch inside and come up 1.5 inch. From the hip line, come 1/2 inch inside, join hip marking till the waistline. Till this line. And you can also give it a shape. Either if the hips are heavy, then you can give it slight shape, or you can give it curvier shape. Now we join the upper line from the middle of the shorts or the side of the shorts till the middle. Join it slanting this way. mark from the bottom, and from the crochet area I'm giving it a slight little curvier shape till the waistline. And then we cut the outline. I'm not adding any side seams or any margins, anything right now. This is a pattern only. Even when you will be cutting the fabric, then you need to add only the side margin, half-inch side margin, not the margin on the or the seams on the curvier side. So here, this is the back pattern that we have cut. So it is important that you mark your pattern so that later on when you use the same pattern to make a dress, even for the same person, you remember what is the top part and what is the front part, what is the back part. And it is also nice if you add the date and the person's name when you made this pattern. The way I write down the measurements on the pattern, that also you can do. Like you can write the measurements on the pattern and then you make the notches, small notches. That would be helpful at the time of cutting the fabric. And if you didn't add the seams or you added the seams or folds, it is also good if you write the details on that. So here we have the fabric. We are cutting two pieces of front, and this is the selvage. The white thing is selvage side. This is white, the front part of our boxer shorts. So place it, pin it, and then cut the outline. Now I add the pocket. To make the pocket, leave the 2 inches up and now mark 1 inch from here, 5.5 inch for the pocket opening. This is the pocket opening. And length of the pocket would be till your hip line, or 12 inches or 11 inches. So till the hip line you can keep your pocket. Either you can keep it square or rectangle, or you can keep it just give a bag like shape. So leaving about a quarter of an inch from your marking the mouth of the pocket, start giving it a shape, bag like shape, like this. And width of the pocket would be at least 7 or 7.5 inch. So here I'm taking it 7.5 inch wide pocket. So that includes the sewing seams also. So here this way give the shape. And now you may wonder how to get this shape or this marking on the pocket fabric. on the fabric which you want to cut for the pockets. So here I have 4 layers of fabric, that is like 2 pocket. So I folded it, so I got 2 layers. So here I'm cutting 2 pockets, means 4 pieces. On this piece or the folded fabric, now you keep your this marked pockets, press it really hard so that you get the trace on your fabric. Once you keep this trace darker, you can cut the pockets, and then later on along with your pattern, the shorts pattern, you can make a pattern, keep a pattern, paper pattern of the pockets along with the shorts pattern. So whenever next time you'll be cutting a long pajama with the pockets, or long shorts or short shorts, you can cut the pocket at the one go. You don't need to measure every time, you don't need to cut every time. You simply keep the pattern and cut the fabric and stitch it. So that will save a lot of your time. It was folded fabric, so I open it from the middle, and now I show you how to place these pockets. These are the shorts. The white area is salvaged, the sides, and this is the front. You will first join the crochet area. Once you join the crochet, then you start adding the pockets. So here make small cuts on the opening of the pocket so that adding the pocket becomes easier for you. I have shared some videos in this on this video on this channel, how to add the pockets, how to stitch the pockets, and giving all the details. I'm sure that will be very useful to you. Even this video would be very helpful for you. Thank you so much. Stay subscribed, stay blessed.